Coming close. Closer. Because the more you think you see, the easier it will be to fool you. I am going to flip through this deck, and I want you to see one card. Not this one. It will be too obvious. Now, pay close attention. That was too fast. I will do it again. Are you ready? Yes. Now, did you see one? Do you have it in mind? Yes. And do you see it here? No. But it's because you are looking too closely. Whoa! No! Stop! It was not this one. It was this one! What's up, puzzle lovers, and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this little intro. To be totally honest with you, it took me such a long time to film that. Cardistry is difficult, but quite fun when you succeed. Today, we are going to attempt to solve an award-winning packing puzzle called 10 of Diamonds. This puzzle was designed by Laszlo Molnár from Hungary and was one of the top 10 vote getters at the 2020 IPP Puzzle Design Competition. To solve this puzzle, we need to fit 5 pieces into 2 different trays. Each piece looks like a double diamond. It's a level 9 out of 10, which means it will be a very challenging packing puzzle. So, without further ado, let's solve the 10 of Diamonds puzzle! And here it is, the 10 of Diamonds packing puzzle. And it looks gorgeous. I love this packing puzzle so much. I think it is my favorite one so far. I am really looking forward solving this puzzle. It's a giant replica of a 10 of Diamonds card. It comes with 5 pieces and each piece has a double diamond. And there are 2 challenges. The first one is to fit the 5 pieces into the rectangular tray. And the second challenge is to fit all the 5 pieces into an hexagonal tray. As you can see, the design of the front of the puzzle is different from the back. On the back of the puzzle, you have the name of the puzzle, 10 of Diamonds, the goal number 1 and number 2, the name of the designer, and the name of the exchanger. Because this puzzle was supposed to be an exchange puzzle during the IPP 2020. And you have the logo of the IPP 2020, which looks like it was supposed to happen in Jerusalem. And one last thing, this puzzle is produced by Brian Young. And you can find this puzzle on his website, Mr. Puzzle Australia. So then, let's start to solve this puzzle. And the goal number 1 will be to put all 5 pieces in the rectangle. Let's do that! I already feel it will be a very challenging puzzle. The pieces are really unusual. Look at these two! Well, the good thing is I feel you can put them together. Yes! So maybe that's a first step to solve this puzzle. And also, I wonder if we will need to fill the angles. Kind of like this, but there is a space here. So my bet is that there will be empty spaces. Obviously, I don't think that everything will come together to make a perfect rectangular shape in the end. I also wonder if in the end you will have to make a diamond shape somewhere in the puzzle. That will be very cool. So let's just start. I bet there will be some pieces that will fit perfectly together. See, for example, this one will fit perfectly like this, for example. Then you can put this one as well, and these two that fit very well together. I wonder if already we can put all of them inside the tray. Maybe not. And they do. We managed to put 4 pieces out of 5 inside the rectangular tray. But obviously we can see that this one will not fit at all. That will be very interesting to find out the solution of this puzzle. Because this one is quite long. You can see that it takes a big amount of space inside the rectangular tray. This one would be very challenging to put inside of it, I feel. So let's just try some combinations, shall we? Because you have this that fit together and they fit quite well like this. You can feel an edge of the tray. Then let's continue. Like this. I kind of like already where I am heading. And then it's where the problems start, right? Okay, we can put this one now. But then, once again, we are losing too much space and we will not be able to fit this last piece. So what will be the plan then? Maybe we will need to make a lot of empty spaces in the corners or the edges and not so much in the middle. I don't know how I should tackle this puzzle. But also you can make very interesting shapes like this. You see, you have two triangles, but now I'm losing a lot of space. That could be interesting, to be honest. This, and then once again, I bet we'll be able to put one more inside, but not the last piece. Very challenging. I wonder if I should already grab a coffee, a tea, or something else. I feel I will be stuck trying to solve this puzzle for a long time. I don't even know with which piece I should start first. There are so many possibilities. You can start with this one and then try to fit another one somewhere like this, and then like this, maybe. No, not at all. Also, it adds a challenge that these pieces are reversible. You see, you can fit them on each side. What about fitting these two together? Like this. I kind of like it. We are losing some space here and here, which I don't really like, but maybe it will slide like this at the end to fit the other pieces around. So let's start like this. But I'm not sure which piece should I fit next. This one could fit like this, but we are losing a lot of space. So maybe not. This one could fit also, but once again, we are losing too much space. Maybe like this. So we still have most of the space available for the two last pieces. Will it fit? This one fits, but then we are stuck. Oh, maybe like this. And then this one like this. We cannot fit this one. I'm so sad. Wait, can we fit this one? Yes. We are so close, I think. I hope. At least I'm trying to convince myself that I am very close to the solution. But I really love the design of this puzzle, to be honest. Very sleek and smooth design.
Many tic-tacs later.
I think I'm so narrow-minded with packing puzzles that I'm so stubborn when I think two pieces will fit here together. Maybe I should change my tactic, but once again, I don't know. I do like it. For some reason. I feel it's the best way to lose the less amount of space here at the bottom. I just need to figure out how to put the three last pieces together in a way that everything will fit perfectly and so smoothly. Like, these four fit so well here, and they can still move. So it's just, I need to fit this last one here. Wow, wait, I didn't expect that. What just happened? So it just fit perfectly. That's so crazy. And then nothing is moving anymore. But as you can see, we are losing a lot of space in the edges. And then we have a triangle in the middle of the puzzle. And here we have a big empty space. That went so smoothly. Kind of satisfying, right? Okay, first goal solved. Wow. It took me such a long time to manage to solve this one. So now we can move on to the next challenge, the hexagonal tray. And I hope it will be less difficult, to be honest, because wow, this one was really something, but I loved the solution. So are we going to find a triangle here as well? Okay, obviously the first thing I want to do is to put this piece here. It fits so perfectly. And also this piece here fits so perfectly. But that must be a trap, obviously. That cannot be it. That would be so easy to do. But, well, let's see, right? Maybe it will be that easy on this side. So far, so good, no? But, yeah, once again, this one is really annoying to fit. Because you have to think, how will it go in the tray? Maybe like this. And then, or like this. Oh, sad we don't have another piece like this. It will fit perfectly. But no, obviously we have this kind of weird shape that is just annoying. I'm wasting a big amount of space here. So that should not be here, obviously. Then, how will you fit? Be more like this. You see, it's kind of smooth here. We are losing this space, but that's okay. We saw on the other side that it still works, even if we are losing this kind of space. So then, do I just need to fit these two and job done? To be great, right? Like this, and then obviously nothing. Oh, I like that. That looks nice. Then, I should be able to fit two pieces here, right? I hope. Not really. I guess the back side of this puzzle is more challenging. I am devastated. But why? Why am I struggling so much with packing puzzles? It's really something so hard.
Later.
So, let's do it once again. I don't know, should I start with this one? Could be in a corner like this. Or on the other side as well. I don't know. How? This one as well. I don't think we will fit like this, once again. Like for the rectangular tray. I don't know. But let's put this one here. Okay? Then this one, I don't know what to do with this one. Could be like this. I like the fact that two edges of a piece touch two edges of an hexagonal tray. And just leave, once again, this empty space here. I like it. So I don't know where I should fit it. It could go anywhere, to be honest. And then it's where I'm not even sure. Because you could put this piece here, have a triangle, once again. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. But now you are losing a bigger space here. Which I don't like. Not sure about this one. Could fit like this. But then how do we put the other ones? We could put this one here. Oh, wait. I like that. Just need to figure out how to put these two pieces here. If it's the solution, then something has to fit here, right? Like this. I like it. I like that this diamond fits inside of this. But then, does that fit here? I don't think so. Or maybe. Wait, I think it does. Whoa! That's a relief, I swear. I have no words. I have no words. What? And yeah, you can see it's just so nice. Just so nice. It's very satisfying to have this last piece just fitting inside. When you just slide it and put it and it just falls inside the tray. I am so happy now that I did find the solution of this side of this packing puzzle. And I can say that I solved the front side and the back side of the 10 of diamonds puzzle! And another one. And this packing puzzle is without any doubt the hardest packing puzzle I solved on this channel. And I really enjoy the card theme for this puzzle. Such a beautiful and awesome puzzle. A good thing is that you can choose to start with a rectangular trade challenge or the hexagonal trade challenge, and the solutions are so different. I understand now why this puzzle won an award during the 2020 IPP. Beautiful design, challenging puzzle. If you want it, go grab one in the website of Mr. Puzzle Australia. I will put the link below. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content I am making. I will see you next week for a new video. Tschüss!